Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A strong woman with faith. This woman is strong because she trusts God every day. She starts her morning with a prayer and asks God for wisdom, peace, and strength. She loves her husband and always supports him with kindness. They work together as a team and help each other in every situation. She is also a loving mother. She takes care of her children, teaches them good values, and spends time with them every day. She wants them to grow with love, respect, and faith in God. She works hard in her job and always gives her best. She is honest, responsible, and happy to learn new things. She also has small businesses. She knows that success comes with patience, discipline, and hard work. She never gives up when life becomes difficult. Sometimes she feels tired, but she remembers that God is always with her. This gives her hope and courage to continue. She smiles, believes in herself, and keeps moving forward. Many women look at her life and feel inspired. She shows that it is possible to have faith, love, family, work, and dreams together. She believes that with God, all things are possible. Every new day is another opportunity to grow, serve, love, and become a better woman. Vocabulary. English. Trust. Wisdom. Strength. Support. Values. Courage. Opportunity. Intermediate English. A woman who leads her life with faith. A confident woman understands that true success begins with faith in God. Every morning she spends time praying, reading the Bible, and asking for guidance before making important decisions. This habit gives her peace, confidence, and a clear purpose. She is committed to her family. She loves her husband deeply and works with him as a partner. Together they build a home filled with respect, communication, and encouragement. As a mother, she teaches her children to be honest, responsible, and grateful. She knows that her example is one of her greatest lessons. She also enjoys her professional career and manages her business projects with discipline and determination. She organizes her schedule wisely and continues learning new skills to improve her work. Challenges do not stop her because she believes that every obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger. Although life is sometimes demanding, she refuses to give up. She trusts that God will provide the strength she needs for every season. Her positive attitude, strong character, and unwavering faith inspire many women around her. She proves that balancing faith, family, work, and entrepreneurship is possible when life is built on love, discipline, and trust in God. Her journey encourages others to dream boldly and never lose hope. Vocabulary. Guidance. Committed. Encouragement. Determination. Obstacle. Unwavering. Entrepreneurship. Advanced English. A purpose-driven woman empowered by faith. A truly remarkable woman understands that lasting success is not measured only by achievements but by the character she develops along the journey. Her unwavering faith in God serves as the foundation of every decision she makes, enabling her to face uncertainty with courage and confidence. She nurtures a loving marriage built on mutual respect, trust, and meaningful communication. As a devoted mother, she intentionally raises her children with integrity, compassion, and spiritual values, recognizing that her daily actions shape their future more than her words. Professionally, she pursues excellence with discipline, resilience, and a commitment to continuous improvement. She skillfully manages her entrepreneurial ventures while maintaining balance between her responsibilities and personal well-being. Instead of fearing failure, she embraces challenges as opportunities for growth and innovation. Her strength does not come from perfection but from perseverance. During difficult moments, she seeks God's wisdom, knowing that faith transforms fear into hope and obstacles into valuable lessons. She remains focused on her purpose, refusing to be distracted by criticism or temporary setbacks. Her life becomes a powerful testimony that inspires countless women to believe in themselves, honor their families, pursue meaningful dreams, and trust God's perfect timing. She demonstrates that with faith, determination, humility, and consistent effort, an ordinary woman can create an extraordinary legacy that blesses future generations. Vocabulary: foundation, uncertainty, integrity, resilience, perseverance, testimony, legacy. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.